On the 7th of this month, the Uganda Communications Commission released a directive aimed at regulating online publishers and bloggers, setting the 5th of October 2020 as the deadline for applications from online users and broadcast services. However, Unwanted Witness, a service society organization aimed at responding to the gap in effective communication using various online expression platforms, filed a petition before the Constitutional Court requesting for interim injunction restraining the Uganda Communications Commission from proceeding with the directives.
This application can't be heard if the court is not fully constituted, so that bench has to be fully constituted. So we are asking the DCJ specifically not to be on the wrong side of history, not to be on the wrong side of the oppressors. But we know very well that this might go on and 5th will come by and the Constitutional Court is not convened. So therefore, our next step will be to apply to court.
Alan Chigozi Sempala, the head of legal department at Unwanted Organization, while speaking to journalists in press conference in Kampala, explains what prompted them to go to court. Unwanted Witness now wants the courts of law to listen to their case before going for the country's general elections so that the participating candidates are not interrupted by the laws governing social media.
They are going to be digital. So if you have elections being digital and then the digital platforms are treated the way they are going to be treated with this directive, then our electoral process is going to be tested. It's going to be elusive. There won't be any democratic way. People will be denied their right to hear from their candidates if their candidates are put on stringent measures like these ones. So therefore, we request the Constitutional Court to expeditiously convene the bench, hear these applications, and we have justice prevail.
Dorothy Mukasa, the executive director of Unwanted Witness, revealed that there are laws UCC has to follow before passing the directives on freedom of speech and social media.
Expeditiously intervene and prevail over UCC's impunitive tendencies of undermining the rule of law. UCC has over that time, because it's the alpha and omega in the regulation of communication in this country. So they have over the time abused their powers, and this is also one sort of abuse. So they've always come out to abuse their powers. Section 60 of the UCC Act calls for the institution of establishment of a tribunal.
Adiat Nambaja, Ramla Katumba, STV Select News.